Let's be honest, the number of makeup tutorials that you can find on the internet that claim that you can do your makeup in under 5 minutes and 5 products are lying. Because usually a makeup look like this takes more than 5 products and more than 5 minutes. But to really be able to sell you guys that this makeup tutorial you'll be able to do in 5 minutes and 5 products, I already filmed this look and I timed myself doing it to really make sure that I could actually do this look in 5 minutes. And the only reason I was able to achieve this is because of a secret product. You guys have already watched YouTube shorts, you know what it is. If you're a beginner, if you are a mom, if you are going to school, this is the perfect ultimate 5-minute beginner makeup tutorial. We're not even gonna use foundation and your makeup is going to last all day. So with that being said, I'll take this off so we can get into it again. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Monica Ravi-Conway, your fairy brown mother, here to help you find the best beauty products for your skin tone and skin type. This is actually a video that I feel like I've been wanting to make for so long, but I didn't feel like I had the right type of products to be able to do a look in under 5 products. I also have acne scars, discoloration. I don't have perfect skin, but I finally feel like with these new products, one of which I even helped co-develop, I'll be mentioning at the end of the video, I now feel comfortable enough to be able to make this video. So let's jump right into it. I already did my skin prep. That's not included in the 5 products, but make sure you skin prep well, otherwise your makeup is gonna look crusty, cakey, dusty. And of course, the first thing that I'm gonna start with, concealer. But the hardest thing about finding a concealer is that some concealers match this part of my face, but then won't match the darker part of my face. So I picked up a concealer here that is between this pigmentation level and this pigmentation level. It is still gonna be a little light for this area, but that's okay because we're gonna fix it later. We only have 5 minutes. I'm essentially gonna place this concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. My favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. This is in my 2025 favorites that I'll be bringing with me to this year. I'm basically gonna put this on all of my acne scars and discoloration. So I applied it kind of on almost all the places where I really need the coverage. This is the most important part. I'm not using a brush today. I'm actually using one of these K-Beauty cushion foundation sponges. I'm just gonna blend out the edges with that cushion foundation and make sure everything's blended out. See, this is why using a really full coverage concealer that also somewhat self-sets is important. I also did get a little bit of a tan coming from my honeymoon, and I also broke out a little bit more because I actually just started spironolactone, if you know what that is. It helps with hormonal acne, which is why I was purging for a little bit, but hopefully in the next few months my skin will be a little bit more clear. Because this concealer is a lot lighter than like the bronze on my forehead, I'm actually gonna skip blending it out there. Just make sure everything's blended out. Well, look at that. It's already even. I know my face is a little bit lighter than my body. I know. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. Something I forgot to mention is this concealer is a little bit warmer than my skin tone. So if you've got hyperpigmentation like me, it's gonna be able to correct like around my mouth without it looking ashy. So that's why my mouth here doesn't look ashy, even though I didn't color correct. But if you have more than 5 minutes, I do recommend color correcting. Now I think this looks pretty good, but the first exciting new product reveal that I have is the new fwee long-lasting dual eyeshadows. They came out with 5 different shades, but the one shade that I've been reaching for so consistently is the shade Deep Focus. And this is such a good shade if you're around my skin tone because the eyeshadow part makes an amazing contour bronzer shade and is super creamy. I've been doing a wear test for this eyeshadow for like a few weeks now. It's become like one of my go-to like eyeshadow products. And the only reason I'm even gonna be able to do this look today is because of fwee's new dual-ended products. But because these are eyeshadow sticks, I definitely recommend you blend them like as you go. They do dry down. That's also why your makeup is gonna wear a lot longer. How freaking perfect is this shade? Like fwee, did you make this for me? Honestly, now that I'm realizing it, I think the best way to apply these is to warm it up on the back of your hand first and then apply it on your jawline. Like you would kind of like a stick. Like this is technically a cream stick formula, super creamy, genuinely one of the best eyeshadow formulas I've ever tried, and it's affordable, guys. It's under $20. This is definitely a good contour shade for me, so that's why I don't like to use too much, but I'm also going to use this on my eyes, which is its intended purpose. And these are so easy to use. I can literally just use my fingers to blend it out. Of course, if you are not around my skin tone, they do have other shades for other skin tones, so I would definitely check out some of the other shades because a lot of them are really good, like neutral shades that I think make a really good contour on fair skin. Like, look at this shade. She's pretty gray, but if you have cool tone, fair olive skin, this could be a really good shade. And since I'm already at the eyeshadow step, I am also gonna add a little bit of the eyeliner. I literally apply this like really messy and then use my nail to clean up the edge. I also like that the eyeliner is like a black brown, making it super soft and very wearable. Y'all know how much I love fwee and lip and cheek products, which is why I was so excited when they asked to partner with me, not only for this video, but to also co-consult, co-collaborate on their new long-lasting dual lip liner. And again, I can only do this look because this is dual-ended, and these are also dual-ended, and you can use these on your cheeks, on your eyes, on your lips as well. So guys, I literally flew all the way to Korea. I went and visited the lab that fwee uses to make all of their products, and it honestly was such an amazing experience to be able to do that. I have never felt more included, and to be able to make shades that work perfectly for the olive skin girlies and the brown girlies felt like such a full circle moment, especially it being a Korean brand, and a Korean brand that I love so much. I'm gonna show you guys both lip combos and pairings at the very end of this video, but we're just gonna use the shade Chocolate Box and the lipstick side as blush. I wanted to bring you guys like one of the perfect warmer toned everyday nude lipsticks for the brown and olive girlies. Lip shade, I wanted it to be warmer toned but not orange, and of course it's muted, making it super everyday wearable and really, really easy to use, especially on the face. Like, you cannot tell me this is not the perfect blush shade, and you can find these now on Amazon through the link on my description below on sale for $15.30. Yeah, 2 products for under $20. Like, fwee is giving us what the girls have been begging for. Okay, before I move on, I am gonna set my face because I have oily skin. This is also a dual toned powder. This is from Dibs Beauty. So I'm just using the darker shade on the perimeter of my face and the brighter shade on the center of my face to highlight. I'm gonna add just a hair more of the blood. I'm so happy with the shade and I love how it came out. We've been literally developing this for like a year. I went to Korea like a year ago. Before we get to the lips, I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara. This step is totally optional if you're not a mascara person. Now finally for the lips, I wanna show you guys both of the shades that I helped co-create with fwee, and along with give you guys the in-depth explanation on the formula and how we made these together. So the first shade that I already put the lipstick on my cheeks is the shade Chocolate Box. fwee came to me and asked me to help them create like a medium deep brown lip liner, and this one almost has like a warmer olive tone to it, helping it not pull too green and not pull too like red at the same time. When I first started this process with fwee, they asked me what are all of my problems that I face with lip liners, and for me, one of them was that they don't last very long, and the ones that do last long dry too fast. So in this formula, they found somewhere of like a happy medium. You still have enough time to like blend your lips and smush your lips together, but at the same time, it's ultra creamy, ultra pigmented. They do take a little bit longer to dry than your usual like long-lasting lip liner, but once these dry, baby, they're not going anywhere. They're waterproof, they're smudge-proof, they're transfer resistant. Like this, she's not going anywhere. fwee really said,
I will solve all your problems for under $20 in one lip product.
And something that I feel like is really unique is usually for dual lipsticks, the lipstick part is the same shade as the lip liner. But no, this is a full lip combo. I showed you guys on my cheeks is like a really pretty pinky nude, slightly peachy like lip tone shade. It matches my lip tone almost perfectly, but it's slightly deeper. And same thing with this lipstick formula. It's somewhere between like a satin lipstick and a matte lipstick, but it also has long wear. This lip combo has been like my perfect lip, and honestly, this would be the final look. And this was also the final look that I had originally created, but I want to also show you guys the second shade that I helped co-develop. This is the shade Pretty Savage. I even got to name this one. It's the same formula as Chocolate Box, but this lip liner is a really beautiful deep plum shade. It's even deeper than the brown lip liner that I helped make. And the pink side is like the perfect mauve pink shade, making it one of probably the most wearable pink lip combo like ever, dare I say. And if you also have drier lips like me and lip lines, the lipstick doesn't settle into your lip lines and it gives you like a nice boost of hydration so you don't end up with crusty butthole lips. Yeah, these are the two shades I helped co-create. The Pretty Savage and Chocolate Box. You could see Pretty Savage's lip liner is a lot deeper than Chocolate Box. So if you have really deep skin, I would go for Pretty Savage, or maybe you just want like a really pretty pink lip combo. If you're around my skin tone or lighter or olive, I would go for Chocolate Box. Just for fun to match my lip, I'm even gonna add some of that lipstick to my cheeks here. Oh, look, that is the perfect pink shade, guys. And this is the final look. I love how it came out. And yes, it only actually takes me 5 minutes if I was like in a hurry, but I was literally only able to do this look because of these new dual-ended fwee makeup products. You can find all of these products on Amazon down in my link below in my description. And this will also be available in April at ultabeauty.com and Ulta Beauty as well. And I also have a little surprise for you guys. I am also partnering up with fwee to do a little giveaway just for my YouTube fans. Stick the giveaway instructions right here on how you can win one of these shades. And I honestly can't believe that I helped co-collaborate with them, and that wouldn't have been possible without the support of you guys. So thank you for supporting my content. Thank you for giving me a platform, and thank you for letting me achieve my dreams. All products are linked below in the description. And if you guys are interested in more fwee products, one of my favorite fwee products is the fwee lip glosses, of which I'll put a video right here. And hopefully I'll see you guys not next time, but in 5 minutes if you go click that video. Bye.